Let's take a look at the chart action for the total crypto market cap. All right, so we're looking at this uptrend right here. I had support right here, support right here, support right here. Gives me this trend line going something like this. We broke that trend line going to the downside right there. What I was talking about in yesterday's video or the day before that is, are we going to close below this trend line right here? Or we're going to be able to pump up and close above it. And so far, we haven't been able to close above it. We've been closing below it. What I do like is that we are getting support right here, and we are getting green candles after we had that big red candle. What I do not like is that we are below the 9 moving average on the daily time frame right now. So until we break back above this daily 9 moving average right here, I'm assuming that it's going to cause resistance and or reject us going to the downside. It already has given us resistance the 2 times that we've kind of tested it. Let's see if we could keep testing it and break it to the upside. But until we do break that, then I'm going to assume that I'm going to be kind of skeptical of what's going on right now. I think even if we do break back up into this uptrend right here, we still have this resistance line right here, right behind it to have to break or test. So we're going to have to be testing that. And it's this previous resistance right here, and then we have resistance right here that we just made. So I'm watching this trend line, something right there. So like I said, even if we break back up into this trend line, we're still gonna have to watch this top trend line right here to see if we break through that. So in general, on the daily time frame, I'll be watching these candles right here to see where we're gonna be closing. Are we gonna close above the trend line or below the trend line? And then if we go into the 4-hour time frame, I'll be watching this little uptrend going something like this. How far can we ride this going to the upside? Are we going to break through back into our uptrend? And if so, are we going to break that top trend line that we have right there? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Check out the new NFT I made. If you want to support the channel, you can buy it on OpenSea.io/chartaction. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up.